Is schizophrenia considered a form of neurodiversity? Let's tackle an important question today. Is schizophrenia considered a form of neurodiversity? To understand this, we first need to clarify what neurodiversity means. Neurodiversity refers to the variety in human brain function and cognition. It includes conditions like Autism Spectrum Disorder, Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, and Dyslexia. These conditions are seen as part of the natural range of human neurological differences, rather than disorders that need to be fixed. From the viewpoint of autism, neurodiversity is about accepting and celebrating these differences. Individuals with autism often face challenges in social interactions and communication. They may also experience unique sensory processing. However, they also bring distinct strengths and perspectives that can be beneficial in various contexts. Now, let's shift our focus to schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a mental health condition that involves symptoms such as hallucinations, delusions, and disorganized thinking. It can also include negative symptoms like reduced emotional expression and social withdrawal. Cognitive impairments are also common in individuals with schizophrenia. The question of whether schizophrenia fits into the neurodiversity framework is not straightforward. Some people argue that schizophrenia represents a variation in brain structure and function, similar to other neurodivergent conditions. This perspective suggests that schizophrenia could be viewed as part of the neurodiversity spectrum, focusing on acceptance and accommodation rather than solely on treatment. However, there are notable differences between schizophrenia and conditions like autism. Schizophrenia often includes psychotic symptoms that are not typically associated with autism. While autism is widely recognized as a neurodivergent condition, schizophrenia is often viewed through a medical lens, emphasizing the need for treatment to manage its symptoms. It is also important to recognize that there can be overlap between autism and schizophrenia. Some individuals may experience both conditions, particularly in terms of social withdrawal and cognitive differences. This overlap highlights the complexity of neurodivergent experiences. In practical terms, viewing schizophrenia through a neurodiversity lens could help reduce stigma and encourage more inclusive support systems. However, it is essential to balance this perspective with the need for effective treatment and care for individuals with schizophrenia. Ultimately, whether schizophrenia is considered a form of neurodiversity depends on how one defines neurodiversity and how it is applied in different contexts. While there are similarities with other neurodivergent conditions, the unique characteristics and treatment needs of schizophrenia set it apart.